Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button down below to join the family, and if you would like to be notified each time I upload a new video, do well to click on the bell icon. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all you need to know before traveling to Kribi. I'm giving a detailed Kribi travel guide. This video is highly requested. I'm tired of answering questions. Oh, how much it costs to go to Kribi, this and that, the guest house and everything. I traveled to Kribi some months back and I uploaded the video to my channel, the vacation video and everything. If you have not watched it, I'm going to leave the link down below. So today I'm just going to be spilling the tea, give you guys everything. Let me be your guide, okay? So without much said, let's jump straight into this video. Kribi is a beautiful touristic town located in the south region of Cameroon. It has beautiful white sand beaches, a waterfall, and beautiful other touristic attractions that you love, and it's a very good destination for a vacation in Cameroon, or if it's your first time in Cameroon, you want to consider visiting Kribi. It's so beautiful. So some questions you might ask yourself before going to Kribi: how much it costs, the feeding, the transportation, everything. I got you. So the first thing is how long it takes to go to Kribi. If you're leaving from Boya to Kribi, it takes about 5 hours to arrive Kribi. If you're leaving from Douala, it takes approximately 2 hours 30 minutes, depending if you're traveling by bus or traveling with a personal car. The next thing to know is traveling from Boya directly means you're entering a private car, or you're taking a bus that will drop you first in Douala, then taking another agency from Douala to Kribi. There are many agencies in Douala which travel to Kribi, and the price range of the buses are from 2,000 francs for the classic and 5,000 francs for VIP to go to Kribi. Also, you can be traveling from Yaoundé to Kribi, wherever you're going. Yeah, that's all right. If you're considering to go to Kribi with a personal car, I would advise you have some spare tires with you, because if it's your first time going there, the road is a bit narrow. It's just a straight road, but it has like potholes and everything, so you like to have like spare tires and drive slowly and everything. Or if possible, find a driver that you can hire that is used to the Kribi road, and you'll be fine. Another advice I'll give is to travel earlier during the day, because if you're traveling at night, like when we're going to Kribi, what we experience, the road is so dark, there are not many street lights and everything. It's just a straight lonely road, so you don't want to experience all of that. And if it's during the day you face difficulties, you could always ask for help. Next, the people in Kribi are so friendly. They speak the French language, but yes, they are so friendly. Even if you speak to them in English, they'll try to listen to what you're saying and all those things, all the good stuff. Next, accommodation. There are many guest houses and hotels in Kribi. The guest house which I stayed while I was in Kribi is Le Gîte de Kribi. I have a detailed tour of the guest house. I'm going to link it down below. And there are other guest houses, and one good thing is most of the guest houses are located just close to the road. Next stop, transportation in Kribi. Transportation in Kribi is very cheap if you're using a bike. They are mostly bikes and very few taxis, and most of the taxis are like personal car owners that are using their vehicles as taxis. So to use a taxi in Kribi, you have to request it or ask in the hotel, and then they are going to call a taxi if you need that. But otherwise, if you're using a bike, you can pay 100 francs and go to a really long destination. If I'm not mistaken, my friend and I got into the bike. We had to go to the bakery. We left from the bakery, went somewhere else. Like, he was going everywhere with us at that time when we had to do it, and we gave him 500 francs, and I'm sure he even gave us change. Just imagine. So transportation there is really cheap. Next up is feeding. I'll advise, if you're going to Kribi, especially as a group or a vacation, stuff. If you're considering living in a guest house, means the guest house will provide you like a gas, a fridge, and everything. I'll advise you carry your food from Boya, from Yaoundé or Douala or wherever you're going to, because food in Kribi is quite expensive because it's a touristic area, you know. Advise you buy your food stuff from Boya and everything. And also, if you're a little bit on a budget, the guest house which I was in is quite a bit affordable, so you would like to go there. And also the price comes with breakfast. Like when you're paying for maybe 3 days or 2 or a single day, you have free breakfast included in it. So otherwise, carry your food stuff there, because the guest house will provide you with the gas and everything, pots and plates and things which you like to cook with. Also, the food there is so nice. If you go to the Lobe Falls, there's this place where you could get touristic, where you could take back like these arty crafts that you can go back like souvenirs. They also do like crabs and fish, and the seasoning is amazing. You need to watch my Kribi vlog. Like the food, it tastes so nice. It's expensive, yeah, but it was worth it. But we also took our food, so we had free breakfast at the guest house, but other times we cooked. We took like our fruits for the picnic. We took fruits, wine, champagne, red cups, and all this, you know. So guys, those were some of the tips and travel guide I had to share with you all. If you have any other questions, do well to ask down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer. These were most of the questions people were asking me. So if you find this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and enjoy your trip while you go to Kribi, okay? Live life, be happy, go on vacations, you know. And with all that said, enjoy your Kribi trip.